Hey, it's me again, your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm reviewing a wig I got off of Amazon, another pixie cut wig. I love a good pixie wig. It's like perfect for the summer, perfect for the spring. Keep the heat off your neck, you know, and you get to preserve your natural hair. But anywho, today this one I got off of Amazon, like I said, it's by a company called TANGCAI. This is what it came boxed in. Very nice packaging. The description says it's a pixie cut wig with bangs for black women, human hair wigs, natural black color, non-lace front human hair, pixie cut wigs, short wigs for black women, human hair wigs with bangs. Now this one was under $20, so it is bougie on a budget. I love it. What drew me to it was, of course, the cut. All pixie wigs have a cute cut to me, and it's just face framing, and it's just cute and throw on and go, and I love it. All right, so let's get into this one. I'm gonna put the mic down. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. Maybe if I put this thingy, maybe if I do this, try that. Let's try that, see what that does. All right, so the packaging is really nice. They gave me some wig caps. Thank you. Always useful. The one I ordered I thought would have more curls, but they done switched up the picture on the site, but we'll see. I'll show y'all. I'll have something scrolling up as I'm telling y'all about the wig. But the one I saw had more curls in it, but the one that's on there now, when I click on the link, comes up as this straighter looking one. But I'm assuming because it's human, you can curl it or straighten it to give it a straighter look or a curlier look. But on the one I have right now, it does have a little bit of a curl to it, like a lot of it actually. It does look thicker in the back, so you may have to do some razor combing to it. Let's see what kind of closure. It has the circular closure at the top. It has, let's flip it inside out. All right, it has one comb in the front and one comb in the back. And it has adjustable straps with the eyelet. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this to my dome, my head, which I'm just gonna put it as close as I can to the comb on both sides, so you have a secure fit. If I get it off, I'll tell you what, these combs is secure. But the cap construction is breathable. It's not a poke through breathable, it's a mesh cap breathable. So you won't be burning up in the summertime. That's why I love a good pixie. You can be cute and not be hot. Don't get me wrong, I love my cute braided wigs, braided styles, long hair wigs in the summer, but if I gotta choose, if I'm gonna be out and about and it's gonna be hot, I'd rather throw on a pixie. That could be just me though. But anywho, I'm gonna put on this wig cap that they gave me, and let's get it on and see how it looks. Let's get it on. I wish they gave me some brown ones. They always give me these beige wig caps. And it says with black women, so I wonder why they don't ever think to put brown or black wig caps in there. They always get a beige one. All right, let's see what it look like. Let's see what it look like. Hold on, let me get my camera up on my tablet so I can see what I'm doing. How do I switch this? Oh, okay. Hopefully y'all can still hear and see me. Just putting it on. It's very thick, for lack of a better word. I got some water in here. First thing I like to do is try to put a little water in it, wake the hair up. I feel like it's not snug enough. Hold on. Sorry, yeah. Hold on. Wait a minute. I only did one of the thingies, so maybe that's why. It don't feel snug enough. Do I need my wig grip? Alright, let's try that. Let's try that and see what happens. That's a lot better, I tell you what. It's definitely big head friendly. So if you got a bigger head, this one's gonna fit you fine. I have a 23, 24 inch head, depending on how I have my hair. And I don't know if I like this one as much as in my last Pixie wig review. I don't know, maybe because to me it has it's too bulky back here. It's not looking like the picture as far as the curls, but you can work this. I'm gonna just tuck some behind my ear as usual. But it's under $20. It's human hair, so you can put heat to it, you can cut it, you can style it, you can fix it so it becomes, you know, more you. It is shedding. Oof. Hold on. We getting ready to move, so I'm living out of bags right now, y'all. But I want to keep putting out content, so. Oh, y'all, what y'all think of this one? It looks very similar to some of the other ones I have reviewed in the past. I don't know, I feel like there's too much hair up in here for throw on and go. Maybe if I fuss with it a bit so it don't look so, I don't know, hat-ish. I feel like almost this side is thicker than this side. I don't know if that's on purpose. Usually I could work a Pixie now. What y'all think? Is it giving? I don't know. I feel like I could still wear it if I cut it. But y'all know I try to do wig reviews so that I do it exactly how it comes to you, so y'all get a better idea of what you're getting. So y'all know exactly what you're getting. So yeah, it has the curls that it's supposed to have. Let me see if I can slip this down. I mean, I think I look cute in Pixies though. I don't know, maybe it's working. Is it working? Is it working? Is it working? What a middle. I wish it had. What y'all think? What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Is it cute? Here's the back. I think it's cute. You're gonna have to put some work into it. It does have the curls pre-installed for you, but it is human hair, so you're probably gonna have to recurl it or whatever. throughout time. It's given to me more of a blend than a human hair, but they say it's human, so we don't take them for their word. It's definitely longer on this side than this side. I don't know if that's on purpose. Maybe it is, maybe it's a style they were trying to achieve, but it doesn't look like the picture to me. What y'all think? But again, it's a Pixie, you can work it. I mean, would I still wear it? Yes, absolutely. Does it look like the picture? No, it doesn't. But for the price, it's human hair, it's a Pixie wig. You can fix it to better fit your face and your style. Maybe even put a shade, what is it called, a razor comb to it, to thin it out a bit in the back. And the side over here, I think this side is okay. It's almost giving mullet. If it was a little bit longer. But would I wear it? Absolutely. I sure would, and I'll be cute. Under $20. Cute human hair Pixie wig, y'all. If y'all like it, it'll be listed in the description below. As I always tell y'all, I get permission for if y'all use the links that I have below. A very small commission. Don't think y'all making me rich by using my links. No, by no means. But if you're not comfortable using my links, you don't feel like sponsoring or have me make money from this, it's okay. I completely understand. Some people are not about that life. Just go ahead and just go find it on Amazon. I'll leave all the information below. Okay? But this is cute still. It's not exactly how it's described in the picture. Oh no. Grogu fell. It's not exactly how it's described in the picture at all, but I think it still is really cute and definitely workable. Okay, so yeah, this is your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. Let me get Grogu. I love Grogu, y'all. This is your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.